Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate pet appointment scheduling via WhatsApp. So let's suppose I am running a pet business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. So I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I've completely automated my WhatsApp conversation and I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this chatbot, whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the query which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the pet appointment scheduling via WhatsApp. And for this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, hey, I want to book appointment for my pet. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this message, welcome to Pet Wellness, ready to schedule your pet's grooming or checkup appointment. If I go with this book grooming, I will be sent the next question. So it is asking, please select the type of pet for the appointment. If I go with this dog, I will be sent the next reply. So it is asking what type of grooming, bathing and grooming, nail trimming, full grooming. I'll go with this full grooming and then it is going to ask me the next question. So here it is asking me the date. I'm going to enter the date like 20th September 2025 and I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. Here it is asking me the pet's age. So I'm going to write 2 years. I'm going to send this message and then let's wait for the next reply. It is asking me to provide my name. So I'm going to write my name and send them. Let's wait for the next reply. And here it says, your pet's appointment will be confirmed as soon as we reach out to you over call. Till then, sit back and relax, see you soon. So this is how this chatbot is working. If I go with the scheduled checkup, it is going to send me the next message. Like here, what kind of checkup do you want? General checkup, vaccination, dental checkup. If I go with this general checkup, it is going to ask me those same questions which it asked me for this grooming one. So this is how this chatbot is working. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the pet appointment scheduling via WhatsApp. And for this, I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Now, let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. You can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now, if you want to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp Number. You can click on this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp with Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can connect your WhatsApp with Pabbly Chatflow account, then please check out the link given in the description. Now, on the left-hand side, where you can see all these options, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, get help. So we have created a dedicated video on all of these features, the playlist of which is available on our YouTube channel, and also you can check out the link given in the description to learn further and more about these features. Now we have to create a chatbot, and to do that we have to open flows. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to open this flows. So here I have landed towards this flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows, inactive flows. One flow is active on some chats. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. Let's open this. So here we have landed towards this page, and from here we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Now before that, let me quickly name this flow to automate pet appointment scheduling via WhatsApp. And now I have this box. So this is a trigger box. It simply means that I'm going to trigger my WhatsApp chatbot with the help of whatever I'm going to select in my trigger event. We have this keyword regex match, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, and the tag assigned. Now based on these events, whenever any event is selected, my chatbot is going to get triggered accordingly and start sending the messages. I'm going to select it as keyword regex match, and as I have selected this, I'm going to enter the keyword and the regex. So I'm going to enter my keyword like pet, appointment, grooming. So I have entered my keywords like pet, appointment, and grooming. Now, when I receive a WhatsApp message and the message includes these keywords like pet, appointment, grooming, or something like I want to book appointment for my pet, I want to book grooming appointment for my pet, then this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. But what if these keywords are not present in the messages? Then we have another option of regex. So regex is like a smart search tool which identifies different patterns of words and variables. I'm going to enter a pattern over here, and we have to make sure that we enter the same pattern while creating this regex. So this particular regex is going to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot whenever you receive any message. It does not mean that it has to include this keyword. It simply can be a normal message like hey, and this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. So here we are done adding the keyword and the regex. You can add the keyword, or you can add the regex, or you can use both. So here we have added both of these. Now as soon as my WhatsApp chatbot got triggered, I'm going to send the next message. So here I have sent this message, and as the WhatsApp chatbot got triggered, it sent this message. So how we are going to create this message? For that, I'll go towards my flow. I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type. In this drop down, you can see the text button, media, list, and all these single product, multi-product, single AI, and template options. I'm going to select it as text button, and I'm going to send the message with the button. Now, if you want to send the image, video, audio, document, you can select this media. If you have more options, many options to provide to your customers or the users, you can select this list. The difference between the button and the list is just button can be added only 3, and in the list you can add many options. If you want to send the single or the multi-product, you can use this. If you want to send the AI-generated message, you can use the single AI message. And if you want to send the template, which is a pre-designed message format, you can select this. I'm going to select text button, and then I'm going to enter my message like welcome to Pet Wellness, ready to schedule your pet's grooming or checkup appointment. So you see that over here, this is the message which we have sent, and we have bold this text. So how I was able to bold this? For that, I'm simply going to enter star in the front and in the end of this sentence, and only this particular thing is going to bold my text. As I send this message, I have also provided 2 options, clicking on which the next message was sent to me. So how I was able to do this? I simply clicked on this add button, and then I'm going to provide the options here: book grooming, schedule checkup. So here I have provided 2 buttons. Now if I open my WhatsApp, you can see that when I clicked on this book grooming, I was sent the next message. So we have to create the messages in the very similar manner. So we have to simply click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, select the content type as text button and enter the text, and then provide the buttons. Now over here, if I open my WhatsApp, you can see that I have provided the messages, send the messages, after which I have asked these questions. So how I was able to ask these questions? For that, I will go back towards my flow. I'm first going to add the buttons over here. So these are the buttons which I've created. Then there will be another message, and then finally I'm going to ask the question. So on the left hand side, you can see this messages and actions. We are done understanding the messages. Moving on towards the action, we have this condition, we have the ask address, ask location. With the help of these actions, we can ask the question to our users. We can ask them any question. We can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add the tag to this user. We can send the data which we have captured from the the user to another CRM or the Google Sheet. We can send a single AI message, or we can assign the AI assistant which we have created to this particular chat. We can delay the chat or send the reminder, or we can connect the one flow to another flow. I'm going to ask the question. So what I have done, I have simply drag and drop this question, and then I have built the connection between these three circles to this circle. I'm going to add one more message between this, but for now I'm going to explain you how I ask these questions. Over here I have asked, please enter a date for appointment. So I've simply drag and drop this question box, entered the question, and then I've selected my contact custom field. Now when you are creating any question, when you are asking any question, please make sure that you create the contact custom field for that. So when you create this contact custom field, whatever the data is sent by the user, it gets saved in this contact custom field. You can use this later to send this data to another CRM or create personalized messages. So here I have created a contact custom field for this date. So I'm going to select my contact custom field as date, and in the format I'm going to select it as date. In the very similar manner, I have created the rest of the question, drag and drop this ask question, and simply create the connection between this circle and this circle, write your question, create the contact custom field, and select the format. Now how we are going to create this contact custom field? For that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings and then click on this contact custom fields. But before that, please make sure that you save your flow. If you do not save your flow, all the messages which you have created over here will be lost. So before opening any other feature in the same tab, we have to save this flow, and here flow updated successfully. Now I'm going to open this contact custom field in a new tab. So here I have landed towards this contact custom fields. Now if I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. To create a new contact custom field, you simply have to click on this add more field, write the field name, and simply save that. Now here I have already created the field for the date. I'm going to show you. So this is the date field which I have created, and I have created the contact custom field for the full name, and then you can see all the other details also. Now when you create this contact custom field, like over here I have created for full name, you can create the custom messages also. So how we are going to do this? I'm simply going to copy this field. So here it says contact custom field copied to clipboard, go towards my flow, and then paste that. So this message will appear something like this, $full name. So with the help of this dollar, I'm going to create the personalized messages. Another thing over here, whenever the user send any message, like when the question was asked, here I send the date, the age of the pet, the name. These details are getting saved over here in my contact custom field, and that's why these contact custom field are very important while we ask the question. So here this is the importance of contact custom field. I'm quickly going to complete this entire flow and we are going to move further. So here I've created and completed this entire flow. So till here we have created the message. After this I have added another text button in which I have asked what type of grooming they are interested in. After that I have asked the questions, created the contact custom field for these questions like the date, the age, the name of this person, and then I'm finally going to send them this message. So your pet's appointment will be confirmed as soon as we reach out to you over call. To create this personalized message, I'm going to add $full name, and then I've added till then sit back and relax, see you soon. Then there was another button of this schedule checkup, for which I've created the same message in which I'm going to ask them what checkup do you want. And as soon as they click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send them this same questions. So I have simply created the connection of all these circles with this box, and then this flow will follow. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot. Now please make sure that you keep this flow active. If you keep it inactive, the messages won't be sent. We are going to keep it active and then we are going to save this. If we do not save this, the messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully. To check this one last time, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, hey, I want to book appointment for my pet. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message, welcome to Pet Wellness. I'm going to click on this book grooming. It is going to send me the next message. I'm going to go with this cat. It is going to ask me about the next question. I'll go with this nail trimming. Then I'm going to send the date to October 2025. Send this, and then I'm going to enter the age of my pet as 3, and then it is going to ask me my name. I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to send this message. And here you see that it has sent me a personalized message. Your pet's appointment will be confirmed as soon as we reach out to you over call, Shrubi. Till then, sit back and relax. See you soon. So this is how the flow which we have created is working, and it is working completely fine. So now I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. You can comment down the video below if you have any doubts or queries. So I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.